Tonight I'm going to show you how to make imitation sausage McMuffin with egg and cheese. This is going to be pretty close to a McDonald's version. We're going to start off with 4 slices of American cheese, 4 eggs, 4 English muffins, an 8-pack of brown serve all original, fully cooked original pies. We have our egg shaper, which doubles the hamburger press. We have our cooking spray. We have my beverage, and a paper towel to keep over splats. So let's get into this, you guys. I'll show you how to do it step by step. Okay, y'all. Here's 1 egg poached. I'm gonna put cheese on next. I have an English muffin toasted. I'll put butter on that. And then over here in this corner, we got our toaster working on, plus we got a breakaway going on, so it won't be long now. Here's a complete breakfast sandwich, y'all. It has egg, cheese, and sausage on it. It's a McMuffin with an egg. Let's go ahead and plate this up here. Oh, hold on a minute. Had egg blow. One moment, y'all. So far, now we have 2, everybody. These look quite delicious, and they look just like what you get for Mickey D's. However, this is my homemade version, which I'll break down the recipe, ingredients, and the how-tos, and then what else here as soon as all 4 are done, which we're almost there, y'all. Just hang tight. Y'all, 3 of them are done. Here, right. Here's the finished product. It looks just like a sausage McMuffin with an egg yolk. This is all homemade, keep in mind. I'm going to give it a try right now. Wow. This is really good. And it tastes almost just like McDonald's. When they're break down the cost. Currently, McDonald's will charge you $4 for 2 sandwiches, or normally $3.40 for 1, depending. So for 88 cents for the English muffins, about another 90 cents for the eggs. The sausage was also 99 cents. The butter was $1.89. Electricity used was approximately 35 cents. And the cheese itself was $3.24. So for quite a significantly lower price and a better quality of products, and getting exactly what you know you're getting, it's so much well worth it. Although McDonald's will always be a favorite and always be a first run to go to, this here is delicious enough to make my top 5 favorite foods of all time. So I hope you all like the video. I'm kind of half tired and I have to apologize to y'all for that, but it is what it is. Stay tuned. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Consider being a subscriber to the channel. We upload quite regularly. We do help all YouTubers to grow, small or large. And because of our large subscriber base of well over 2,000 channels that we're subbed to, it does take me a long time to make my rounds to each and every one of you. But I guarantee in due time I sure will do. If not, make my best fourth effort. So there you have it. Take care, my friends. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all very soon in the next one. By the way, I rate this product straight on 5 all day.